Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Itu niya dambua amban matatto ete amban apa di makbul tadjai tia niya ko istorine diki-diki sikite. Sige daw istorine malang ano.
Alhamdulillah. Tilaw ko bang sa inge background ko waktu bata-bata.
Bang ini background nun. Anong background mula sa simula?
Painte balik pilih si tahun 62 bagis ko kunin Manggal.
Manggal elementary.
Manggal elementary school. We back in 1961. 1961. Graduated 1965-66 elementary. Then proceed high school to Isabela. Isabela Basilan City High School at that time. Then I graduated from that high school. Proceed to Zamboanga City. I earned unit in college during that year. Then I graduated 2-year course in trade school sa Zamboanga City. Then when I was graduated at that year, I went to Manila to pursue my college.
Manila boy.
Manila. I enrolled in the University, Gregorio University Foundation.
Manila yon, Manila.
Manila yan, Malabon, Rizal, Caloocan City. Then I went home at that moment in the year 1979. Then I was not able to.
So ngayon ano nang ginagawa mo?
Sa ngayon, ang ginagawa ko sa bahay lang kasi matanda na ako.
May asawa ka na? May asawa ka pa ba?
Meron ako asawa. Galing sa abroad ang asawa ko.
Okay. Ito po ay patalastas ni Haji Makbul bilang siit kami. Bilang siit kami. Lolo. Okay.